So a bit of an update on Project Honda. There's been some engine cleaning up, and we've got some new pod filters fitted to the carbs. But in this video I'm going to be rebuilding the front forks. First off, they're going to need a real clean, because as you can tell they're in decent condition underneath all that rubbish, but yeah, and the actual forks themselves are pretty decent. So it's a case of stripping those down now. So what you need to do here is split these apart. Inside here is something that's supposed to be really tricky to get off. I've got an Allen key, not an Allen thing. That won't reach in, so you have to do that, and then I'll need to find something to go on the end of that. But you can do this in a vise, but I saw a little trick online saying use a workbench, because you can sort of grab it with that instead. I think if I do it across there it won't move, so that's what we'll try now. So now we've got absolutely everything laid out ready to do this. We've got the new fork seals, we've got new dust seals, anything that sort of needed replacing has been. Everything's been cleaned up nicely. The forks themselves are decent, the springs are within spec, and the stanchions, I think they're called, the fork stanchions, they've been sort of resprayed and have this complete colour change to black from really pitted and awful silver. So the problem now, we need to knock this new seal in, but it needs to be something that slides over the top of here all the way around to knock it in. There is a special tool you can get that I obviously haven't got. I'm going to see if I can find anything else to do it. Okay, as I haven't got the proper tool, what I'm going to do is put the old oil seal over the top and then gently tap both sides until the oil seal's in position. And I'll secure it in this workmate, but protecting it as well. Right, that's what I didn't want to do, is get the old oil seal stuck as well. Okay, there we go. Right, so I have a top tip, if you haven't got the right tool for this. Plumbing pipe, because that way it fits over there, but still within there, so I'm straight on the seal. Okay, so next is to put the oil in, and I bought this little thing for getting the measurements right. So the way I think this works anyway is that put the oil in and sort of overfill it on this particular fork The specified level is 171 mils, so that's from the top to where the level is. And of course, if you're pouring it in, you won't be able to see. So, whether you'll be able to make that out, but on here are the measurements. So if I find 171 mil, which is 171, so about there. If I put that in, that will sit on top. That goes through. Right, got it sussed. So what you do, put that in, find your 171 mil, there, tighten that up, and then, like I say, I fill the oil up, put that there, and then I just suck everything out. So, in theory, there should be about 150 mils that goes in there, and I should be able to see vaguely what I'm doing. So once I'd got both forks fully back together, I sort of prepped and sprayed up the triple trees and all the other bits and pieces for the front brackets. I then couldn't resist putting everything together. And here is the final result and the current state of the bike. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Do give it a like and subscribe and leave any comments. If you've got any questions, please do ask while it's still fresh in my memory. And again, I hope to see you again next week on next week's weekly motorcycle video.